Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we are delving into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to overlook any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the potential of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. As of October 14th, 2024, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 8. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a noteworthy gain of 60% and 29/100ths since we first recommended Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 45 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.34% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating further increases ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 78% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 51% to 86%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 43% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 16% and 32%. This implies a price range between $50.67 and $79.68 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust highlights a stronger technical forecast for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price following Monday's trading session. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF experienced a gain of nearly 4% on the last trading day, rising from $57.91 to $60.22. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.5%, reaching a low of $59.38 and a high of $61.46. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by over 10% in the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with 27 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 62 million shares changed hands for approximately $3.75 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $61.46, while the lowest price recorded was $22.02. Currently, the price sits just over 2%, or $1.24, below the 52-week high of $61.46, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Bitcoin has recently surged past $106,000, marking a historic milestone. This increase aligns with ongoing discussions about how the administration of President-elect Trump could leverage Bitcoin to establish a strategic reserve, an approach that could further integrate digital currency into mainstream financial strategies. Prominent investor Paul Tudor Jones has expressed enthusiasm for an exchange-traded fund that may yield extraordinary returns, citing projections from billionaire Michael Saylor. This optimistic outlook on Bitcoin exchange-traded funds is underscored by the recent inflow of approximately $10 billion into these funds following Trump's electoral victory, indicating a strong market sentiment favoring cryptocurrency. Additionally, Bitcoin exchange-traded funds have crossed the $100 billion mark in assets under management, signaling robust investor interest. This growth has been fueled by minimal fees and effective trading strategies, especially those employed by market leaders like BlackRock. The successful reception of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds this year sets a promising landscape for future innovations in the cryptocurrency space. In the short term, these developments could drive IBIT's stock price higher as investor confidence increases. Long term, continued institutional adoption and favorable regulatory shifts could solidify Bitcoin's role in mainstream finance, presenting IBIT as a strong player in this evolving market. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, a general buy signal exists due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. On downward corrections, support is expected from the levels of $57.17 and $50.62. A breakdown below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, and thus far, the price has risen by 10.03%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have emerged that may impact short-term developments. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 63 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 47 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 47 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.13 and $51.04. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since, if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $52.13. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $51.04 and $49.57. This exchange-traded fund experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the fund moved $2.08 between its high and low, equating to 3.51%. Over the past week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 3.45%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine, on the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $57.99, reflecting a decrease of 3.7%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom that was identified 5 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good investment? The Ishares Bitcoin Trust showcases several positive indicators and is currently within a robust upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a solid choice at present levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis for this ETF since the last review moving our recommendation from a buy to a strong buy. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of December, we expect the Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open at approximately 13.4 cents and begin trading at $60.35. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.